Now we start debugging the machine. Put the paper in chute, adjust left and right baffle close to paper with 1 cm, back baffle close to paper. Click air pump run and jog. The left and right nash will clamp paper down. Now we adjust the clamp, loose screw and let the clamp touch white roll. Same adjust on the right side. Continue, click jog and check if it can clamp paper. If still failed clamp, need adjust the thimble. Thin paper thimble come out more, thick paper less. Now it clamp well. Normal we have 2 type paper. Now we adjust the paper side is long and short. We can use needle to open paper, of course it can also use suction open. Install needle, open air pump run and click jog, let paper come down, adjust the position of needle. Needle need 2 to 3 mm away from short side. The paper long side face outward. Click jog, now paper can come down and open success. Now we adjust another type paper, the 2 side is same level. Take off needle, and install suction open parts. Take off the limit plate, and let suction down. Adjust suction position, 1 cm away from paper upper and left side. Adjust the paging part, keep same horizontal with suction. Fix with screws. Click jog. Let paper touch the paging part. After paper vertical touch the paging part, loose inside screws. Align the cam with the inside bearing. Cam rotate backwards, and the convex point touch the bearing. If cam cannot rotate, then it is calibrated well. Fix screw. Click on touch screen like video. 3 seconds later machine start work. Paper knot alignment, need adjust the chain. Adjust the chain according to paper distance. Loose screw, rotate the chain, then the paper will alignment. Chain position changes. Then suction position need readjust. Adjust swing link time. Click jog, the push rod aligned with the link. Adjust the cam, loose screw. Rotate the cam forward until the rods move together, then it's okay. Fix the screw. When speed fast, the paper come down not stable. It can adjust pressure by these screws. Click jog, and rotate button can adjust machine speed. Click air pump run if have alarm, click reset. If meet paper not open, and no alarm. Then need adjust sensor. Click jog, let paper align the paging part. Loose screw. Rotate roller, and let the middle wire light up. To avoid double feeding, need adjust the gap between baffle and paper. Rotate button, and let baffle touch the paper.